Okay, let's start. We'll open Stata software and then click to open the file and download our detail file, and we see the variables. Then we should open another file, do file, and yes, here we're opening our do file. You can see the all commands with our variables. Then let's save it. We will name it, we'll change the name to the independent. Oh, okay, save it. Then let's look to the details, to our here we can see the data, how our variables are changing. Then we should install our doc file. So we put the button, and this command automatically will appear on the screen of our data. And then we click to the sdocsum to find out our table summaries. Then in my file it's appearing. Then we will copy it and put in our independent wallpaper. Okay, then another command, histogram. We will open the histogram on the Q variable. Here our figure, we will copy it and put to the Word file. You can see there is a whole graph. Then for the histogram, for the second variable, to our independent variable. Okay, copy it and also put to our Word file. Then okay, and there is another table that we should copy to the my file, which we're opened by this data. Copy this table, this information, and put it to our Word file. Okay, you can see all the work which is going on here. Oh, so then we should create the graph box for the Q variable. It means output, our outputs. And here is a graph. We also copy it and put to the Word file. Later we will describe it. Then the second the second graph, according to the our independent variable, I mean price of capital, and we will change it. Okay, it is for differentiated. Okay, we'll save, copy, then put to the Word file. We can see the difference between independent and dependent variables graph. Okay, then scatter it. Yes. Copy, paste. You can see the relationship. I guess it is a positive relationship. Okay, let's see it. Yes, it is the positive. This line shows us. Also, we need to put it here to comparison. Okay, then we will work with our sdoc file, of course. Okay, there is our table about correlation. We also copy it and put to the Word file. It is the black Word file which we will use later to describe all the operations we did with the Stata program. Okay, here we did the Spearman model. Okay. It is our information. Spearman. Okay. The next comment is with our table. It's another table. It is the linear regression, but I guess we don't need it. Okay, because okay, we will see it later. Here is our Q. It is output. All right. It is the price of capital. Let's read. Let's put here some calculations regarding to the linear regression. Multiplied by price of capital. There is our calculations. Here. Okay. It's just for representing the data of our work we have done. We need to assign each graph, each table with table 1, graph 1. Okay, now we will work with our white Word file. Okay, here copy, paste. It is our description to the table 1, to the summary of all information. Okay, we will sign it as a figure of fig 1. Okay. Then figure 2. Figure 2. Alright. Then the description regarding to the our graph, our figures. We can see that our data is normally distributed. Okay, the graph shows us. Here we need to some literature review. Yes, we should design our work to satisfy the global standards. Here our PDF file which were we obtained from the Mendeley Science Direct. Okay, here we see the and here we need to find that place in that article that we should include to our work. Okay, here is from here we took the information. Exponential dynamics, little Mary, all right. Let's do. Let's copy this place, this part, and put to the literature review. I guess we may put it into introduction part. No need to reserve. Okay, insert. Go to the Mendeley. This part. Here the source will appear, and then this our such kind of indexes to show in the end of our work. Okay, it is very useful because it will simplify our work of referencing. Okay, the next file, here we are copy. It's just for visuality. And that we will do it in details in our wide word format work. You can see here it is automatically appearing in a Word file. Okay, let's move. And here in referencing, you can see references. Install, insert. Here our references are in very beautiful format appearing. Okay, we'll choose the format in which they will be shown for us. I guess it's better one. Yes. Okay, let's move on. Here it is the all work we have done with the observation of the dependence between outputs and the price. Okay, open the Grammarly to check. We need to sign. We don't have. Okay, here we will check our work to the grammatical aspect, for the grammatical aspect. Waiting for downloading. Okay, here we can see all. We are checking our work. It's very useful program for uh, doing your work automatically, grammatically correct. Here also some is corrected. Here also.